Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert number to Roman numeral in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show convert number to Roman number. Now, select from the raw. Now, keyboard press from the equal. Now type from the Roman. Now select from the serial number. Now keyboard press from the enter. Now click for a tick mark. That's it. Then we show convert Roman numbers to number in is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.